everyone, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I pack this mini Totesavvy and how it fits in various diaper bags that I own. So if you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe if you haven't already. So the first part of this video is going to be how I pack the mini Totesavvy. The second half of the video is just going to be me showing you how it fits in different bags that I have. I have a lot of JUJUBE bags. I have freshly picked, Zaria, Petite. So hopefully you enjoy this and you find this helpful. So now let's just jump right into it. So in the front you do have two small pockets. You have one big pocket. On the side right here you do have some elastics which hold the changing pad. This changing pad is amazing. It's really big, super thin. On this side you do have an insulated bottle pocket. I didn't use any sippy cups as you can see because normally my kids hold on to them, or I just use the outside of bottle pockets on the bags that I have. And then you have another large pocket on this side. You do have a key fob here with your keys. So if your bag does not have a key fob, I think this is awesome that it has it included. Or you could add your wallet to it if you wanted to. I use a small set piece as my wallet for the most part, and I just attached a small strap to it. So I figured you could use the small strap and attach it to the key fob. So you could put this inside your purse or inside your diaper bag, just in there, and if you need to reach for it you can just pull it out really easily and it'll stay attached. It won't get lost and you know where it's at inside your purse. So that's just a little idea that I came up with. On this side, like I mentioned, you do have your change pad. This change pad is super thin. It is machine washable, so you can wash it up. To give you guys an idea, that is how big it is. I mean, this changing pad is huge. It works perfect for toddlers. You do have the option to take the changing pad out. Sometimes, depending on the bag that I'm using, the Totesavvy mini will not fit into it that well until I take off the changing pad, and then usually I just stick it in here. So now getting into the pockets, on this top small pocket I have a hand sanitizer spray by the Honest Company, a Lysol to go. I have a small set piece in a black and blue, and in here I just have a few squiggies. If you don't know what these squiggies are, they are super awesome. You can stick them to anything, anywhere. I've used these in the bathtub. I've used these whenever we go out to eat. I've used these in the car. They are literally the most awesomest toy ever, and my kids absolutely love them. So they fit nicely in here. I can actually fit a couple of more in here. So that is everything that I have in this small pocket. As you can see, it's a pretty big small pocket, and the elastics on here are really nice as well. So you can really stretch this out if you needed to. On the bottom pocket right here, I have a JUJUBE coin purse. In here, I just have some Tylenol, a pencil liner, a hair tie, and some band-aids. I also have a BUMKINS bib, fold up really tiny. And I have an itsy bitsy tithing necklace in there as well. In this pocket right here, I have a diaper rash, cream, ointment, just in case. And then I have 3 size 5 diapers in there as well. In this middle section, I have my wipes in my wipey clutch. In the insulated pocket, a JUJUBE Be Dry and shorts that fit either one of my toddlers. So in this pocket here, a KANGACARE Little Learners training pants, and then I just have some flushable wipes. So that's everything that I have in the mini Totesavvy. Really like having this option in case I don't want to be using any pouches. So now I'm just going to repack it all back up.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ve y busca mi me llevas. No te desesperes, no más. ¿Quieres tú lo que quiero yo? Tú todo me lo traes, luego yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.
When you see your butt is amazing.